Today we are in Japan, and we are going to the biggest car meet in Tokyo. This is what we call the Daikoku Parking Area, where the many car lovers come. I'm really excited, so this video will be about car culture in Japan. If you like this kind of thing, you will love it, so let's get into it. Japan is a beautiful country for many people, and Tokyo is a beloved city because so many car enthusiasts gather here. For example, the Tokyo Auto Salon. This is one of the top auto shows in the world for modified and tuned cars. But it's only natural for there to be a lot of car meets outside of the event itself. And one of the car meets come the biggest one. This is it, Daikoku Parking Area. As soon as we get to the meet, many cars had already arrived. Although many says that at night when the crowd starts hitting its peak, but in the afternoon, there are already many enthusiastic car lovers who came earlier. It's not easy to get there because you must have a car first. You used to be able to access the area by foot, but that is no longer allowed. Renting a car to get there might be a smart option. Daikoku is not just ordinary parking area, but a very, very large parking area. And it's located in Yokohama, so it is really biggest car meeting place. Although the Daikoku Parking Area was originally a rest area, now it has become a tourist attraction. This place attracts many car enthusiasts, including foreigners. The rise of social media has further boosted the popularity of Daikoku Parking Area, attracted even more visitors. Many foreigners use their travel time in Japan just to attend this car meet. They just want to experience the local car culture and fulfill their dreams, since there aren't any car meet like this in their place. Sometimes you will meet that lower car cars are cruising around. These enthusiasts just driving around don't care about their cars scratching the road. Incredible. They're into the cars, they're into the culture. But then they're just continue laughing and giggling because they're having so much fun. And when it gets too crowdy and enough complaints come in, then the polices will come. But at first they are basically saying politely to tell anybody to leave. It's a warning. But if people don't leave immediately, so the polices will come out to capture people's license plate. Everybody started running to their cars, and that is the end. This is why we love so much about the car community, the car culture, for the rest of our lives.